File Explorer is a crucial component of the Windows operating system. If it malfunctions, it can disrupt your productivity. Below are effective steps to resolve common File Explorer issues. Solution 1. Restart File Explorer. The simplest way to fix minor glitches is to restart File Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and choose Restart. This action refreshes the Explorer process and often resolves issues like unresponsiveness or freezing. Solution 2. Clear File Explorer cache. Corrupted cache files can cause File Explorer to behave erratically. To clear the cache, open File Explorer Options by searching for it in the Start menu. In the General tab, locate the Privacy section and click Clear. This removes cache data while keeping your files intact, resolving issues caused by outdated or incorrect information. Solution 3. Run a System File Checker scan. File Explorer problems can sometimes stem from corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files that might be interfering with File Explorer's functionality. Solution 4. Update. Outdated Windows builds can harbor bugs that affect File Explorer. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I and navigate to Update and Security. Click Check for updates to ensure your system has the latest fixes and enhancements. Installing updates often resolves compatibility and performance issues with File Explorer. Solution 5. Restart Explorer via Command Prompt. If restarting through Task Manager doesn't work, use the Command Prompt for a more thorough reset. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type taskkill/f/imexplorer.exe to terminate the Explorer process. Then type start explorer.exe to relaunch it. This method can address more persistent problems with File Explorer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with File Explorer and restore its functionality. If the problems persist, consider checking for third-party software conflicts or performing a clean Windows installation.